Hi guys, welcome to my channel Chem Softwares. Today I will talk about COVID docking. So because coronavirus is became very pandemic currently and the researchers are still doing struggle to find drugs. So at that time computational study is very actively ongoing because this is very promising tool to find out drugs by using theoretical parameters. So this is very common. So what molecular docking is basically consists of two types of molecules. That is in bioinformatic modeling between the interaction of target molecule and ligand molecule, which form very stable complex that is called a duct or docking history started in 1990s. That is first software was Autodock 1 that was specific for the flexible ligands docking. And in 1990s, that docking software was modified into Autodock 3 that was only specific for the evaluation of the free energy. Further modification is still useful for researchers. Autodock 4.0 for Autodock Vina still considerable and still giving promising results for docking. In 2011, Recon software was introduced. After 2011, there are so many softwares arrived until now. So, for example, OE docking, Flexi docking, Swiss docking, LED docking, dock, RDoc, HAD doc, IgEM doc, Gold, PMOL. But mostly students prefer academic version because academic version is free as compared to others. Next, docking steps. Docking is consist of three steps: preparation of protein, preparation of ligand, visualization of docking. So first, for the first step, we use different types of softwares. For example, for the preparation of chronoprotein, how to prepare chronoprotein. This is chronoprotein. I choose any one for here for temporarily. Uh, Different softwares, for example, MOE, OpenBabel, Autodoc Tools, Chimera Pebble, Spores, Vija, Ball View, Deep View, LED Finder, Rosetta LED, Yesra. So you can use any one for the preparation of chronoprotein. And how you choose chronoprotein? The coronavirus is consist of spherical physical structure that have spikes outside, but its chemical structure consists of different varieties of proteins, for example, spike protein, membrane, nucleocapsid, envelope protein, genome, RNA. Spike protein is very pathogenic, highly pathogenic, which contribute for the replication, very fast replication of this coronavirus. So you can choose that one. Second step, preparation of ligand. So you need to draw your ligand in specific format for docking. Visualization, third step is consist of docking visualization, in which you can see your ligand interacting with protein, ribbon protein that can visualize in this format. In this format, you can see binding interactions like this one, green line showing hydrogen bonding, and this red showing weak hydrogen bonding, or some aryl interactions. And this is another style to for the visualization of results. So different modes for the visualization. For example, this is for root mean square value analysis through PMOL. So from PMOL, you can see the protein pocket in which ligand interacting at different sites. So this is chimera format. In next videos, I will talk about parameters for the selection and the preparation of protein, preparation of ligand, how to run docking via Autodock Vina, Autodock 4, PMOL, visualization of docking results, and kindly subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you, everyone.